Today we're going to drive the Talimena Scenic Byway. It's a national scenic road, about 54 miles, I think. I'm not going to film the whole 54 miles, but I'll be sure to bring you in if something interesting happens and to have a look at all the scenic overlooks. I'm told that there might be bison. I'm not going to get my hopes up, but we'll keep an eye out. Here we go. This is Potato Hills Vista. I decided to get out here. Oh, look at that. Walk up there. I don't know if you can see him. Beautiful. This is Wholesome Valley on the opposite side of the road. I couldn't have asked for nicer weather. I waited just long enough this morning so that the sun is above me, not in my eyes traveling east. It's not too hot, it's warm. I'm in shirt sleeves. Shorts, of course. This is Panorama Vista. We just came up the road from there. Oh, we're gonna walk, Chris. Look at this. Very well named. We're at Horse Thief Springs. This was the first improvement made along this road by the CCC. It's still bubbling away down there, not too much though. I'm not going to walk in there though to take a little sip. But when the water's up, look, there are benches there for you to sit in the spring. It looks pretty gross right now though. But there's definitely still water coming up out of there. This is the Kiamichi Valley. I am going to make myself a sandwich, and unfortunately I just opened my curtains to enjoy this because there's no picnic tables here. Well, this is where I'm going to have lunch. Oh, this is a little interesting factoid. These are white oaks that have been dwarfed up here on the mountaintop because the soil doesn't hold water and the wind is constantly blowing, and it just leaves them all tiny like this instead of being, 100 feet tall like a normal white oak. This is Pine Mountain Vista. A quite impressive view of the valley. Mountain Fork Vista. They have found people here in the West Texas. Started moving and being nomadic following the game. That's the Kiamachi Valley down there. They've also found dating to about 500 AD. They were the Catos, villages here. They now live in western Oklahoma. And this is called the Lennox Vista because there was a mission down below here. And the missionary's wife, who isn't named, named the mission after her hometown in Massachusetts, which is in western Massachusetts. They had a mission school, doubled as a church on Sundays. In 1884, the community was struck with yellow fever, and the doctor and his wife both died, and the mission closed.